What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. I've been away for a little while, but I'm back, and I had to come back and review kind of what I'm known for, but my favorite Nike. You already know we had to do it, man. Enough of the waffling. So we got that boring old Nike sportswear box. On the label of the box, we've got Nike Air Max 95 JD. So this pair's a JD exclusive, but it's funny because I never bought them from JD, but it's alright. The colorway is black with anthracite, size UK 10, centimeters 29, US 11, BR 43, Euro 45, all that good stuff. Let's get straight into this pair. Yes. So we've got the reverse neon / black neon. I'll probably call it both of those names, no other names to be honest. What a shoe, man. Straight up OG vibes on this pair. That's why I love them. We love the neon on 95s or 110s. But they're not 95s anymore. They're not 110s no more. They're 175s because of the price increase so much. I hate the way the price has gone, to be honest, but it is what it is. I managed to get them cheaper. I believe they were about 140 with a discount code. I did wait a bit. I weren't supposed to get these. I've been trying not to buy as much because I've got so many pairs, but I thought, you know what, I have to add this pair to the collection and I have to review it for you guys. So on the bottom we've got that neon and black. We've got grey in the middle. Midsole blacked out with the green, the neon green bubbles. Then we've got an upper. I don't usually like this material because of needing to kind of be more careful with it. You have to waterproof it more, etc. I don't like if it scuffs, but we've got felt, and that's felt on the bottom, the grey bit. Then we've got felt again, getting a bit darker grey. Then we've got a darker grey, and then we've got black, all felt. That's stitched in neon Nike swoosh. Toe box, some people love the felt, I honestly hate it. I like leather more. I'm more of a leather toe box person, but some people love the felt. Mesh, black standard, I like that black because it doesn't get dirty like the white one. Neon eye stays or eyelets, whatever you're going to call them. Then we've got the 3M on the tongue, normal black tongue, and that OG Air Max grey, black, white and green, the neon Air Max logo. Inside the same way, you know, the grey gradient type. And yeah, I love this shoe, man. It looks so good on foot, honestly, and the neon pops more than the OG pair, like the bit with the white mesh, the more white on it. I like this pair a lot. It might be a bit controversial, but I don't prefer this over that pair because that's the OG pair, you can't beat it. But this, you know, come on, man, I have to say this is probably top 3 95 releases of the year. Some people might even put this first. I really do like it. To me, we're gonna say for once 10 out of 10 on this pair, man. But I don't like the leather, but I don't want to complain and be, you know, them people who complain a lot. If it was leather, it would be 10 out of 10 as well, but I'll still call it 10 out of 10. But yeah, let me know what you think about the pair. There will be an on-foot video following. These are actually a bit more comfortable for some reason. I like the comfort on these. But yeah, there's an on-foot video coming up. I will post it separate. Stay tuned for more releases. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you like them, if you hate them, if you rate them. Let me know what else you want to see in terms of uploads. And most importantly, take care, my people.